Our company has come out with the 10 commandments for home buyers, things not to do while you're purchasing a home. Number 1, thou shalt not change jobs or become self-employed. To be self-employed, you have to be self-employed for 2 years. So stay on the position that you're in until you purchase that home. The day after you close, you may do anything you want to. Thou shalt not buy a car, truck, van unless you plan to live in it. I know that sounds so simple, but I cannot tell you the number of times people have gone and looked at a new car and said, you know, the car guy said it wasn't going to be a problem. Well, that $500 car payment is an issue. We have to look at it in your debt ratio. Thou shalt not use your credit cards or let your payments fall behind. Even though it was only $25, it hurts. It will also drop your credit score. Credit cards are 35% of your credit debt, so they will affect your score far quicker than anything else you do to have a late payment, so keep everything current. Thou shalt not spend money you have saved for the down payment. As God is my witness, 3 days before closing, they loaned it to their mom. And I asked them what they were going to use for their down payment. They did not know. So hold on to the money. Keep it safe in the bank. Thou shalt not buy furniture before you buy your new house. Client this week called me. We're not using her husband on the loan. Could he go ahead and buy the furniture? Not until after you close on the loan. You shall not originate any new inquiries on your credit report. You thought about buying a car. We have to explain every inquiry to the underwriter. They want to know, so just don't do it. Thou shalt not make any large deposits in your bank account. We have to review those bank accounts, and if there's large amounts of money, especially cash, we can't count it towards your down payment. So make sure that any money you're moving around, we know where it came from. You know how to show us where it came from. Payday loans are not a good thing either, so don't put large deposits like that in your bank account. Thou shalt not change bank accounts. We need 2 months history. If you're using a down payment assistance program, you may need 6 months. So we need to be able to track those bank accounts, keep them in one spot. Thou shalt not co-sign for anyone. You're just as responsible for that loan as the person you co-signed for, whether you know it or not. So if you've co-signed, we have to count that debt in your debt ratio, and that can maybe disqualify you from purchasing a home or have you purchasing far less than what you would like to have. And number 10, thou shalt not purchase anything on credit until way after you close, just to keep you safe.